Hey, what's up? Ben Donovan here, and in this video, we're going to look at the Impact Driver Analysis premium feature inside of the Benchmarker tool. When you open up your Benchmarker report, you're going to see the 10 key metrics that last month defined your Amazon PPC performance, all the way from your impressions through to your ACoS. Now, this right here is one of the great features of Benchmarker because you are going to get a report that's going to save you so much time. As a business owner or PPC account manager, to be able to have all of this data served to you in this one convenient report is a game changer. However, the Impact Driver Analysis feature is going to really help this go to the next level, because I can be looking at these numbers and see here, well, my ACoS at 26%, it's gone up 19% this month. What's changed? What has happened there? Now, all I need to do is click on that ACoS. It's going to bring me down to the Impact Driver Analysis, and it's going to give me a product by product summary of what has changed. I can click on any of these metrics. I can be wondering, well, why are my impressions down? I can click on my impressions and see the changes. Why is my cost per click changing? My cost per click is up 18.5%. I want to bring that cost per click down to improve my overall profitability. What's driving those changes? Well, I can click on cost per click, come down here and have a look. When you come down to the Impact Driver Analysis section, it's going to give you a product by product breakdown. I can see here, this product, its cost per click has come down 52%, whereas this product cost per click has gone up 18%. And so rather than looking at my whole account and thinking, oh, my cost per click is through the roof on my whole account, I can come down to this section and drill down on exactly what is making the impact in my Amazon PPC performance. This Impact Driver Analysis will be available from your second Benchmarker report. That's because, of course, this is a month-over-month analysis. On your first report, you can, of course, just switch over to the benchmarks, your category benchmarks, which in itself is highly insightful data. But from month 2, report 2, you'll be able to come over to month-over-month changes, and it's going to give you all of this data inside of the Impact Driver Analysis. You've got a number of different ways you can view this data. There's the waterfall chart, which we'll come back to. There's the table view, which is a list. If you're an ordered person and I like lists of things, this will be great for you because it's going to show you a list and order it by level of impact. What is making the most change in your account? So you've got losers here, the products that are costing you the most with this metric. You can see here cost per click, and this is cost per click that we're analyzing. This product here, the cost per click has gone up to $1.10. That's an 18% increase. But because of the amount of ad spend, it is actually driving 72% of this change. And you've got your gainers. So on this one, cost per click, there's one product that's improved its cost per click. It's gone down to 44 cents, which is a 52% improvement. Because it's the only one that has improved, it's driving 100% of this impact. So that is the table view. And then the tree map is very much a visual representation of what has driven the change. As you can see here, this product is doing 100% of that impact. And then we've got the two products down here that are driving the negative impact on the cost per click. So a good visual representation. I really do like the waterfall chart and the visual representation that also gives you. Let's take a look at another one just to give another example. We've got ACoS here, and we can see the total change in ACoS over the month was 19%. So this total change here is going to represent that 19% on that bar. And the different amounts within that 19% are going to be visually made up from this waterfall. We can see this product here has gone down 52%, its ACoS, whereas this product here has gone up 19%. This product here has gone up 66%. So this immediately shows me it's a product that I need to put some time and attention into optimizing and improving these results. With the waterfall chart, more often than not, you are going to also have this other column. Now, don't worry about this. This is just a column of data that can't be analyzed because there's maybe some zero data in there. For instance, this is, of course, a month-on-month comparison. So if last month that product had 0 sales, but this month it had some sales, it can't give a month-to-month comparison there. So those kind of products will be lumped into this other to just show you the complete picture of the percentage of the change there. The other thing to also note is that there is a percentage change, but also a weighted change. You'll see here the change of this ACoS was 66%. However, the weighted month-on-month change was only 14%. That's because different changes are going to be impacted at different levels based on the amount of spend that's going through those products. For instance, you may have a product that has increased its ACoS by 900%. It's gone from 1% to 10% over a month. However, you're only spending $10 per month in ads. So it's really not driving that much impact in your business. However, if you have a product whose ACoS has gone from 10% to 11%, yet you're putting tens of thousands of dollars through it every month, of course, that's a much bigger impact. And so that weighted impact, that weighted change is about ad spend, not just the percentage change in the ACoS. So again, really good analysis you can perform with this impact driver feature. So have a play around with this, check out all the different numbers. You can click on all of these numbers. It's going to show you all of the changes that are being made because of them. Really, really helpful insights. Then one of the easy actions that you can take from analyzing this data is taking some of the products that aren't performing as well as you would like and setting up easy setup campaigns within Sellics. As the name suggests, these are super simple to set up. The hard work's been taken out of it for you, and all of the best practices are put in place inside of these campaigns so that they can then go on to be optimized month over month to continue improving your performance. So there it is, the impact driver analysis tool. Super insightful data for you to get your teeth into. I'm excited to see the results that it produces inside of the Sellics PPC community.